Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market update for Wednesday, June 22nd. Stocks on Wall Street are giving back some of yesterday's big gains in early trading. So far this week, news out of Europe has largely driven sentiment as finance officials try to stop a Greek debt default. But after Greece's prime minister survived a confidence vote in parliament yesterday, possibly paving the way for the passage of new austerity measures, the focus is shifting to the U.S. economy. Investors are awaiting the Federal Reserve's decision on monetary policy at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke's press conference a couple hours later. Policymakers are likely to leave interest rates unchanged and announce the official end of their latest quantitative easing program at the end of the month. But less certain is how Bernanke will try to calm the financial markets following a string of soft economic data.
We do have some positive news on the economy this morning, but it's coming from corporate America. FedEx posted a 33% jump in its fiscal fourth quarter earnings, and total revenue rose 12%. The gains were driven by increased shipping volumes across all the company's transport segments. And because FedEx ships goods produced by companies of all types, its results are often viewed as a bellwether for global trade and other segments of the economy. Right now, shares of FedEx are climbing nearly 3%, and rival UPS is coming along for the ride, up more than 1%. Meanwhile, one of the day's biggest winners is CarMax, surging 9% right now. The auto dealership chain blew away Wall Street estimates with a 25% jump in first quarter profit. CarMax benefited from continued economic uncertainty as more consumers opted for used vehicles over new ones.
Another big winner this morning is Jabil Circuit, gaining 3%. Earnings at the circuit board manufacturer doubled in the latest quarter, and revenue increased to $4.2 billion. Both numbers topped estimates. But moving to the downside is Adobe Systems, dropping nearly 6% right now. After yesterday's closing bell, the software firm posted a 54% increase in fiscal second quarter profit, and sales increased to more than $1 billion. But Adobe's forecast for the current quarter seemed to disappoint investors. After today's closing bell, we'll get quarterly numbers from another player in the software industry, Red Hat, along with retailer Bed Bath & Beyond.
We continue to keep an eye on shares of BP this morning. Yesterday, they jumped nearly 4% after the energy giant reached an agreement with Weatherford International to settle potential claims related to the oil rig explosion in the Gulf of Mexico last April. But today, Transocean blamed the worst oil spill in U.S. history on BP after an internal investigation. Transocean said the Deepwater Horizon well exploded because of its design and construction and decisions made by BP in the 2 weeks leading up to the incident. Shares of BP are losing about 1% on the news, and Transocean is modestly higher. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.